Have you ever wondered what the future holds for auto workers in an era of rapid technological advancements? As we delve into the 21st century, the auto industry is undergoing a monumental shift. It's a transformation driven by the surge towards autonomous and electric vehicles, a shift that could potentially have a significant impact on auto workers. In this landscape of changing gears and shifting paradigms, the future of auto workers seems to hang in the balance. The rise of automation and electric power is not just a challenge to traditional engines, but also to the traditional workforce. The assembly lines that once buzzed with human activity are now increasingly dominated by machines, and the skill sets required are evolving rapidly. Amidst these changes, the future of auto workers remains uncertain. A wave of change is sweeping across the auto industry, and it is unclear whether it will leave destruction in its wake or pave the way for new opportunities. The landscape of the auto industry is undoubtedly shifting, but what does this mean for the people working in it? To understand the future, we must first delve into the past and present of the auto industry. In the early days, the auto industry was labor-intensive, with jobs primarily involving physical labor and assembly line work. But as we moved through the decades, technology began to shape the industry. Robotics and automation started to replace manual labor, and the job market shifted, requiring workers with more specialized skills. Fast forward to today, the rise of electric vehicles has revolutionized the industry once more. The demand for workers with knowledge in electronics and software engineering has skyrocketed, reflecting the industry's shift from mechanical to electronic. The roles and responsibilities within the auto industry have evolved significantly, from assembly line workers and mechanics to software engineers and battery specialists. As we can see, the auto industry has always been a field of constant evolution, with its workers needing to adapt to new technologies and industry trends. Now let's converge our discussion to